you were to read this equation, it would say negative 56 is 14 times a number.
No, really?
So in order to solve this, you have to do the inverse, which is dividing by the 14 to both sides. And you should get negative 4. You guys can check all your answers to tonight's homework by plugging it back in to the right part of the problem. So 14 times negative 4, if you don't get negative 56, you gotta go back and check over this.
You got a 2?
So you guys see fractions, right?
Right.
So we want to get rid of that denominator. The reciprocal is, if I had 1 over 4, the reciprocal would be 4 over 1.
Okay.
If you multiply these two things, you should get 1. This is the denominator, right?
Right.
If I multiply this piece by 157 on that side, I have to multiply this side also by 157. Because whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. Now you could take the time to do 157 times negative 40 and then divide by 157, but you're still going to end up with negative 40. If you don't trust me, you can multiply these two things.
Should I cancel out what's the same?
Yes, what's on the bottom cancels out.
Okay. And what's on the top there?
Yep, what this cancels out as well.
Oh, so that means it's 157 times 40?
If you want to do 157 times negative 40 and divide by 157, what do you get?
Well, it's just 40.
I know,
Why would you say negative 40? Oh,
because the answer was negative. You have 389 over 30 equals x minus 2.5, correct?
Yes.
The first thing I would do, since this is an improper fraction and this is a mixed number, I would change this. Well, you know what? I would just leave it. Because you guys probably want to do it the easy way.
Yes.
So does everyone have their calculator? Except for Jonah and Alexander, you probably can't do it, neither can add. So in a minute, I'll let you use your calculator. So if you have a calculator, I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 30 over 1.
Why do you have a negative sign?
Yeah, so you multiply it by 4 on both sides, and 35 times 4 is 140.